Ever wondered what protein domains are? Let's dive into it. Proteins, often referred to as the workhorses of our cells, are composed of one or more functional units known as domains. Imagine a protein as a complex machine. Its domains would be the various components that make it work. These domains are responsible for a protein's specific function and structure, making them unique and crucial. Therefore, in essence, protein domains are the building blocks of proteins, shaping their identity and functionality. A protein domain isn't just a random part of a protein, it has specific characteristics. These domains are compact three-dimensional structures that can exist independently of the rest of the protein chain. Each domain forms its own compact three-dimensional structure, much like a miniature protein within a larger protein. What's more, each domain often carries out a specific function, contributing to the overall function of the protein. Think of them as individual tools in a multi-tool pocket knife. Each tool or domain has a unique function. One might ask, why are protein domains important? The significance of protein domains lies in their critical roles within our cells. They serve as crucial assistants in the protein folding process, ensuring proteins adopt the correct shape for their function. Furthermore, protein domains inject an element of versatility into proteins. This versatility allows proteins to undertake a wide array of functions within the body, from cellular communication to immune responses. So, protein domains are vital for protein function and versatility. So to sum it up, protein domains are indeed the functional units of proteins, each one boasting a unique structure. They're like puzzle pieces, with each one having its own role and shape, contributing to the overall picture. That is, the protein's function and versatility. It's these domains that add a dash of complexity and a sprinkle of versatility to our proteins. That's the gist of protein domains, the incredible building blocks of proteins.